Hello and welcome. It's Frank Calabro Jr. We're going to talk about the $1 funnel that breaks the online income model. What you're about to see might seem unbelievable, but this is 100% legit. How would you like to tap into 5 revenue streams that collect cash payments for you 24/7, all from just one website? And get this, you can even activate your first revenue stream for only $1. Anyone, including you, can test out this money-generating system for $1 and allow it to collect commissions for you for a full 14 days on complete autopilot. That's 2 full weeks for $1. And if you're not happy, simply cancel the membership and turn off your revenue-producing machine. Just imagine starting a cash-producing autopilot business that is done for you at a meager 7 cents per day. That's for real. If you end up loving it like we do, then let it ride, because it's only going to cost you $1.79 per day. You can actually activate your own cash producing asset for less than a price of one item that you can buy at your local dollar store. And of course, we all know that the dollar store, it's not even $1 anymore. It's like $1.25 or more in most cases. I became the top producer in the world in what you're about to see, and I started dead last. Frankie, how much could I possibly make from a low ticket $1 deal? That's a fair question to ask. The product is this funnel system that pays you a $20 commission per month for each referral. In addition, you also get paid a 50% match bonus from every referral that is hard-coded to you for life. I actually had to be talked into doing this by my mentor, and I foolishly thought it was the wrong thing to do. Here I was, broke as a joke, living in the slums, standing in this kitchen, when my multi-millionaire friend called me and talked me into joining this $1 deal. And I'm arguing with him, telling him it's the wrong thing to do. But I eventually caved in, and I did it his way, because my way, I was failing, guys. I was at rock bottom financially. Here was a starting point for me, $26,000 per year. I caved in. I listened to my mentor. I did it his way. And magically, I made $96,000 per year, nearly 6 figures, guys. What a jump that was. The following year, $578,000. This was life-changing beyond words. And by my 8th year, I had retired myself forever. Pretty insane right there, because I got some good information. I went from living in the slums to living in custom-built solar-powered homes. I went from having no money in the bank account to having multiple bank accounts flushed with cash. I've got multiple cryptocurrency wallets. I got the Rolex watch collection. I got all the luxuries you could possibly even want. But what I really wanted was freedom, guys. And today I've made over $528,000 from this one revenue stream alone that anybody can start today for $1. And remember, I had to be talked into doing this. I had to be talked into making $500,000. Thank God my mentor didn't give up on me. I had no clue that a low ticket $1 trial offer could produce over $500,000 in cash revenue, but that is exactly what happened. The company does all of the heavy lifting for you. Customer support done for you. Live weekly training webinars done for you. Live calls with the CEO. Yeah, the CEO actually does live calls Monday through Thursday night. You can call in, listen. The calls are awesome. They're super short, 15, 20 minutes. And then he opens up the lines and lets people ask questions. How incredible is that? Billing and collecting your commissions, done for you. No need to set up merchant processing. It's all done for you. High quality, in-demand products. Once again, no need to create a product. It's all done for you. This opportunity is 100% turnkey and ready for you to start making money now, immediately. The company has a proven track record of success and has been in business for over a decade. You can even choose to pay yourself daily, for real. Withdrawal anytime that you wish. Instant cash commissions can be sent to your own prepaid Visa card or send the money directly to your bank account. You decide what you want to do. It's your money. Here's a couple of weekly paychecks. These are not monthly paychecks. These are weekly paychecks from one revenue stream that anybody can start for $1, collecting $20 bills plus a 50% match bonus. There's people out there that think, well, you can't make that much money off a $20 product. Want to make a bet? These are weekly paychecks. $1,180, $1,650, $2,330 in a week. $1,970, $2,190, $2,370. Here's a few more. I'm not going to read all the numbers. You can see the numbers on the screen. This comes in week after week, month after month, year after year, like clockwork. Here's just a couple more. We'll just let it play out, and you guys can see the numbers right there. Look at some of these paychecks. They're absolutely insane, guys. There's people that work a job for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, and never take home this much money in a week at their job. Yet this is coming in on autopilot from this funnel system. Pretty incredible. The system does the work for you 24/7 while you sleep, travel, vacation, go to church, spend time with your family, engage in fitness, and even when you take a day off. Yeah, you got to have balance in life, right? You got to unplug once in a while too. Yes, absolutely. The product, the system, Power Lead System. You may or may not have heard of it. This is our funnel system builder. This is what creates all the revenue. Here's a withdrawal, and I've got over 500 withdrawals. This is not the biggest withdrawal. It's just one that I could find quickly and share with you. Look at this right here. $9,982 made. Incredible. Been paid like clockwork for a decade. Like I said, this has a proven track record of results. You probably heard of this franchise right here, the most successful franchise in the history of the world, McDonald's. Does McDonald's have the best hamburger that you've ever had in your life? Probably not. But you know what they do have? They have the best system to make that hamburger, and that's why they dominate their market. Guess what? We cracked the code on ShareFunnels. We franchised internet marketing, affiliate marketing. We've got a self-replicating funnel that does everything from A to Z. It collects the visitors for you. It presents the value proposition and introduces the cash producing assets for you. There are call to actions that guide people through the entire process. Email campaign instantly activates and starts to follow up with our prospects. We automate, we duplicate, and we dominate. This is why we win, guys. Here's another weekly paycheck, $3,410. Another $3,730. Yeah, from a business that you can start for $1 today, getting $20 bills plus 50% match bonuses. This is the power of using systems. If I can do it, you can do it too. The instant that you enroll for $1, I'm going to build you a clone of this system that you can have up and running in minutes. You get the exact same system that I use to make insane commissions on autopilot. And yes, for only 7 cents per day. For real, guys. After your 14-day trial, your $1 trial ends, you can continue to dominate for only $1.79 per day. You can't even get a cup of coffee at Starbucks for $1.79. The moment that your system is set up, you're qualified to earn $20 monthly residual commissions. You can collect unlimited $20 commissions for the next 2 weeks and have an operating cost of only 7 cents per day. This is for real, guys. 100%. $20 may not sound like much, but this could easily cover the cost of your system plus any paid traffic campaigns. And this is what I do, guys. My system pays for itself. It has from the very first day I started. And I was no hotshot marketer. I was living in the slums, and my multi-millionaire mentor had to talk me into doing this. 3 signups a day could turn into $1,800 per month. 5 signups a day could turn into $3,000 per month. And 10 signups per day could turn into $6,000 per month. And this is realistic. These people are signing up for $1. How hard is it to find people in the world that want to make money online to have $1 to get started? It's not difficult at all. Your $20 a month residual income comes in month after month, year after year. And we are not even counting the 50% match bonuses that you will receive from your direct referrals. Once again, guys, take a look at this leaderboard right here. Do you see that number 2 person? I have never talked about this before, ever. This is my sponsor. Yeah, my sponsor hasn't promoted this or talked about this in several years. You want to know why? He doesn't need to, guys. He's already successful. He talked Frank Calabro Jr. into doing this when I was broke as a joke, living in the slums. He gets a 50% match bonus off of me. Think about this. You're one person away from making 6 figures because you talked someone into doing something that they were looking for anyway. See, when I was broke as a joke, I was looking for something, and my multimillionaire, thank God, didn't give up on me, talked me into doing this thing. Because I became the top producer in the world, he's getting a 50% match bonus. He's not even producing. He's collecting from my efforts. It's awesome, guys. And I'm showing you the power of the model right there on the leaderboard. Go look for yourself. This is a complete turnkey done-for-you system that is ready to go the minute that you activate for $1. We haven't even mentioned the big money yet. There are extra instant cash now money commissions on top of the $20 bills that you can collect with no additional effort. The funnel system is your license to print money, literally. You can set up your own Cash Now funnel in 3 minutes. It's copy and paste simple, and I'll actually walk you through it. No techie stuff involved. Holding digital assets on a server is how wealthy marketers make money hand over fist. Once again, my mentor had to teach me this. This platform contains everything that you need to generate endless traffic, earn unlimited cash commissions, and start having success today. You're not going to find a lower starting price point of $1 anywhere. I never even heard of this before. Your upside potential to be earning 6 figures online is a real possibility with this model, and many have already done it. You are finally ready to start winning. Are you listening now like I did to my mentor? My mentor had to shake me awake practically. Then start making money now. You can activate your own cash producing asset for less than the price of one item, like I said, that you can buy at your local dollar store. Available in over 180 countries. This is a worldwide opportunity. You can claim your own cash producing autopilot business that is done for you, like I said, for a meager 7 cents per day. Click below and claim your own digital cash system. You can earn unlimited $20 commissions for the next 2 weeks, and the only skin in the game that you will have is $1. Yeah, I know you got $1. Everybody has $1. So what you want to do is click on the Activate Now button below and claim your cash producing asset. That's exactly what this is. Test drive this cash generating system for $1 and allow it to collect commissions for you for a full 14 days on complete autopilot. Please, no VPNs. There is anti-fraud software built in, and if you try and use a VPN, you're not going to be able to sign up. And also, do not use a VPN when you try and log into the back office. Very important. Very easy, simple, 3-minute sign-up process. Fill out the information, click continue. Once you get done with the process, go ahead and print this out, take a picture with your phone, do what you got to do, bookmark your login area, and save your credentials, your username, and password. Okay? Also, look for the email with the same exact information. It went straight into my inbox. In your case, if you look around for it, you'll find it. If it goes into spam for some strange reason, whitelist it and get this into your inbox. After you activate, click on the Continue button below and take the next step in jump-starting your cash-producing system. Welcome to Cash Now Funnel. See you in the next exciting video. Thank you.